I came in for my normal observation, but I'm gonna prank him that we're having a baby. So when he walks in, I'm gonna say I already had the baby.
Hey guys, this is us in the hospital right now. As you can see, we just came. We'll be here in an hour. So far so good, I guess. See that big Betty? There you go. Big Betty. There she go, Big Betty. See that face? We've been here for 2 hours now. So, as you can see, Big Betty. Smile. She hungry. See that face? Okay. See? There's the baby right there moving. See? There she go. There she go. There she go. Oh, she's hungry. Okay. Alright. Baby is being morning though. You can hear the heartbeat. Oh yeah. The heartbeat is 141 right now.
She's kicking too.
She's kicking so hard. See?
So this is the heart monitor, and this is the, wait, which one is it? This is the heart monitor, and this is the contraction monitor.
Yeah.
So they're measuring my contraction or if I'm having any, which I'm not really having any right now, but they have to do it. So
Yeah, as you can see, yep. Baby's moving real hard.
I only came for observation, but they said my fluid was low. I was kind of dehydrated. So they brought me into this room, but the thing is, they didn't have any other room, and this is the only room that was available. So they put me in here where there's a baby thing. So he's gonna think that we're having a baby. I'm gonna prank him when he comes in to tell him that we're having a baby. But look, I'm still very pregnant. I'm still pregnant, so when he walks in, I'm gonna say I already had the baby. So I'm gonna wait for his reaction, and I'm gonna show you guys. This is going to be funny. This is the baby's bed. That's the door. Let me go all the way back. That's the door right there. And I'm gonna record his reaction when he gets back in here. That's where the baby's supposed to be. Isn't it cute? They have it all set up with stuff. I don't want to touch their stuff, but we'll see. We had a baby. Stupid. The baby is in there. Go see.
I don't see shit.
Go see for real. Stupid, eh? Go see it, Nitty.
Let me see his stomach for a second.
No, go see the baby first.
No.
Go see.
I'm not seeing the baby. Stop, man. Stop. Please,
For
stop.
real, go see.
People are talking about baby fish.
Nitty.
I see you too.
Nitty, go see for real.
Yes. Hey, baby too.
So that was an epic fail. He didn't fall for that. Did he go see the baby?
Go see your baby. Hey, baby. That's how I use.
Oh my god. We're going home today. Yay. I'm so ready to go home and like take a shower in my own shower, wear my own clean clothes. The bed is pretty comfortable, I guess, but I'm just ready to be home in my own bed. What about you?
And we take her home, take her out your bath, sleep in my comfortable bed. So, yep, you make us about leave.
Oh Lord. What he says. So.